So now that we know how to add and multiply polynomials, let's actually use them. So we're going to start with area and perimeter because that's an easy way to multiply polynomials and it's an easy way to set up adding polynomials. So let's start with perimeter. Remember, the way you find the perimeter of a figure is to add the lengths of all the sides. So I have two options here. I can either remember that the perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And so for this problem, the length is 4x and the width is 3x plus 10. When I do that, 2 times 4x is 8x plus 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 10 is 20. I combine my like terms and I find the perimeter is 14x plus 20. The other option is to know that, okay, if this is a rectangle, then this length is 3x plus 10, and then this length is 4x, and then I can just add them all up. So I add 3x plus 10 to 4x to 3x plus 10 to 4x. And look here, notice I lined up my like terms. My x's are together, my constants are together. So 3 plus 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus another 7 is 14x, and then plus 20. And look, same answer, so I'm right. To find the area of a figure, the area is the length times the width. So the length for this problem is 4x, the width is 3x plus 10. So when we multiply, we're actually going to distribute. 3x times 4x is 12x squared. I bring down my plus. 4x times 10 is 40x. And that's my area. All right, so now let's look at my next one. Same idea. I'm going to do the same thing every time, guys. All I'm doing is just switching some numbers around. So my perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So that's 2 times x plus 12 plus 2 times 2x plus 9. So we distribute the 2x plus 24, distribute the 2, and then I combine my like terms. Sometimes I like doing this way because it does help me, I almost messed up there. It does help me sort of practice everything. 2x plus 4x is 6x, plus 24 plus 18 is 42. So that's a nice way to practice distributing and combining like terms. I can do the same thing here by just adding everything. So we have 2x plus 9 plus 2x plus 9 plus x plus 12 plus x plus 12. And again, remember, addition is commutative. So I could really use any order. I could add these numbers in any order. 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is what? 6x. 9 plus 9 plus 12 plus 12 is 42. Is that oh yeah, that's the same thing. Okay, my area is the length times the width. So I want to take x plus 12 times 2x plus 9. All right, and so when I do that, let's see what we get. We get, I'm going to FOIL this. X times 2 is 2x squared. Outer times outer is 9x. Inner times inner is 24x. And then last times last is 108. So my like terms are here. I'm going to get 2x squared plus 108. And that's how I find the area. And I'm really going to do this every single time for all of these figures. So I'm going to find my perimeter. I'm going to find my area every single time. All right, let's go to the next one. And again, these are extra practices just so that you can look at positive and negative values. So I'm just going to do the perimeter by adding. I have 5x minus 4 plus 3x plus 7 plus 5x minus 4 plus 3x plus 7. That's 16x, 3 plus 3, 16x plus 6. The area, we have 3x plus 7 times 5x minus 4. All right, so when I FOIL that, 3x times 5x is 15x squared. 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. 7 plus 5x is 35x. And then 7 times 4 is negative 28. So we'll get 15x squared plus 23x minus 28. And that's how we find the area. Just in case you're dying to see the box method here, let's go ahead and knock one of these out. So we're going to have 5x minus 4 times 3x plus 7. Okay, 3x times 5x is 15x squared. 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. 7 times 5x is 35x. 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. If I have any like terms, they will be here. So my final answer is 15x squared. 35 minus 12 is a positive 23x minus 28. And again, oh my gosh, same answer. So I'm good. All right, let's look at this one. Find the perimeter and area of a rectangle with a length of 6x minus 10 and a width of 4x plus 3. All right, now what's happening on this one is we have no pictures, we just have words. So you can draw the picture if you'd like. And then you can do the math, or you can go straight to the math. Me, I just need a rough picture because that's just how things work for me. I have 6x minus 10. I've got 4x plus 3. And oh my gosh, it looks just like those. It's just in words. So my perimeter will be 4x plus 3 times 6x minus 10 plus 4x plus 3 plus 6x minus 10. 10 plus 10 is 20x. 3 minus 10 is negative 7. When we double that, we get negative 14. So there's my perimeter. And now I want to find the area. And you know what? I'll do this. We'll see area of a rectangle, and then we'll use this model to find the area. So we have 4x plus 3. We have 6x minus 10. 6x times 4x is 24x squared. 6x times 3 is 18x. Negative 10 times 4x is negative 40x. Negative 10 times 3 is negative 30. Here are my like terms. So I'm going to get 24x squared minus 22x minus 30. Okay, so there's 1 through 4 from the practice of area and perimeter. Let's now look at some other ones. All right, what is the perimeter of the figure? I'm going to be honest here and tell you that I probably need to change this for next year, only because there need to be markings here. I'm guessing, well, that these two are the same length. I'm guessing that these two are the same length. And then these two are the same length. So I'm going to write this in, 3x minus 8. This is going to be 4. This is going to be x plus 10. So now we have 3x minus 8 plus 4 plus x plus 10 plus 3x minus 8 plus 4 plus x plus 10. And how did I know to add? Because I'm looking for the perimeter. So I want to find the total distance around. All right, so let's put our like terms together. 3x plus 1x is 4x, plus 1x is 7x, plus 1x is 8x. Negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. plus 10 is 6. So 6 minus 8 is -2. -2 plus 4 is 2. And 2 plus 10 is 12. And I really don't trust my math. I mean, I do, but we have moments. So let's take, oh, just kidding. All right, let's take -8. Will it let me do negatives here? Yes. -8 plus 4 plus 10 plus -8 plus 4 plus 10. Man, I hope I did that right. 12. Okay, good. That's what I got. All right, so that's my perimeter. Okay, for this next one, find the area and perimeter of the figure below. I think I'm going to start with area because it tells me area first. So guess what? I'm going to treat this as two different rectangles. So this is my little rectangle. So we'll call it L. And then this is my big rectangle. So the area of my little rectangle is going to be x plus 5 times 2x plus 1. So when I do that, I'm going to FOIL this. I get 2x squared outer plus x inner plus 10x, and then last plus 5. That's 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. Area of the big rectangle is going to be x plus 8 times 3x plus 2. So when I FOIL that, I get 3x squared plus 2x plus 24x plus 16. So I will have 3x squared plus 24x plus 16. But I'm not done. I need the total area. The total area will be the area of the little rectangle plus the area of the big rectangle. The little rectangle has an area of 2x squared plus x plus 5. Then we're going to add to it the total area, the area of the big rectangle, which is 3x squared plus 24x plus 16. Holy addition of polynomials, Batman. We've got 2x squared plus 3x squared, which is 5x squared. And then I have 11x plus 24x, which is 35x. And then we'll add 5 plus 16, and we'll get 21. All right. So my area will be 5x squared plus 35x plus 21. Oh, dang. Now I need to find perimeter. Okay. Perimeter's not bad. Perimeter, we add up all the sides. So I'm going to go over here for perimeter. All right. So we have x plus 5 plus 2x plus 1 plus 3 plus 3x plus 2 plus x plus 8. And now I need this thing. Well, this thing is 2x plus 1 plus 3x plus 2, which I'm going to do this math up here. 2x plus 3x is 5x, and then 1 plus 2 is 3. So when I add this up, 1, 6, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 8 is 19, 20, 21, 22. 1, that's 3x, 6x, 7x, 12x. So my perimeter is 12x plus 22. Okay, fun one for me. I liked it. But that's me. So we'll see how everything goes. Okay, let's look at the next one. The perimeter of a square is 4x plus 4. what is the length of each side, and then what is the area of the square. Okay, so we have a square. All the sides are equal. So guess what that means? If it's 4x plus 44, we find the perimeter by taking 4 times the length of a side. So to find one length of one side, we just have to divide by 4. So what's 4x? So we'll know one side is 4x plus 44 divided by 4. Okay, so that means this is x plus 11. This is x plus, we could do this all day, and we will. Okay. So the length of one side is x plus 11. But I'm not done. Now we need to find the area. The area of a square is side squared, the length of one side squared. So we're taking x plus 11 and squaring it. Okay, I know, remember, because I'm a math nerd and I do shortcuts, I know that that's x squared plus 22x plus 121. Some of you may not know that. So I'm going to go off to the side. If we have x plus 11 squared, that's really x plus 11 times x plus 11. So we'll get x squared, and we do outside times outside, inside times inside, and then we'll take last times last. And guess what happens when we combine like terms? We get x squared plus 22x plus 121. Oh, there it is. Remember, I learned the math inside and out because I'm lazy and I don't want to do any extra work. And that's one of the ways I do it. Okay. Last one. One side of a square is 3x minus 2. What is its area? Well, area is 3s minus 2 squared, which is 3s minus 2 times 3s minus 2. And I'm going to give the box some love here so it doesn't feel left out. So we have 3s minus 2 times 3s minus 2. 3s times 3s is 9s squared. 3s times 2 is negative 6s. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6s. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. So we'll get 9s squared minus 12s plus 4. All right. Perimeter. Perimeter is going to be 4 times, oh, good grief, Robadeer, what the heck? Okay, so that should be S everywhere for the record. I'm just going to maintain my consistency here. Perimeter is 4 times the length of one side. Oh, we're just going to distribute. 4 times 3s is 12s minus, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So there's my area, there's my perimeter, and we're good. All right. And now I have to figure out how to stop this. All right, guys. Have a good one.